no mistake.
I can't believe we're talking about this again. But listen and listen up good. I will not ban Jim's if it ain't broke fix it from YouTube.
I will veto it. Make no mistake. If you try anything to raise the cost of precision jobs, I will veto it.
There's an update. I had to get into my MG, which I have covered up. Had to take the cover off my MG, so I decided to see if I can get it to start. It probably would have. The battery was discharged enough that it just wouldn't turn it over. So I'm charging that. Well, this is going to be one of those. Will run after sitting for 3 months. We'll see how that turns out. I got the leftovers here that I got to take care of. I'm going to put some stabilizer in the gas. The gas is probably a couple years old, but I do start up every so many months, and I put additive in it. Worst comes to worst, I'll drain it and replace it. I don't know if I need to replace it. It seems to be fine. Found these fuses in one of my boxes that I'm cleaning out, and it's the old type of fuse. And my two cars, when I pick up a 1999 GMC Sonoma, it has the spade fuses. 2005 Ford Taurus. It's a good car, but it's a Taurus. That uses the spade connectors too. So these will put it in my MG when I go out there next. But I've got to wait until the battery charges up. What I'll probably do is today I'll run it for a couple hours, check it, make sure it's charged up, let it sit overnight, then check it again tomorrow. I want to make sure the battery can hold a charge, and then if it looks like something's discharging it, I'll diagnose that, but that's not till next summer probably. The MG I got to work on. I'm going to make sure there's no drain on the battery or anything like that. And I've been fixing things. I fixed the mirror here in a video not too long ago. Got this little thing ready to go out to my MG when I go to charge it. Still working on my computer, the one that I bought from my daughter when she got a new one. She'd carry it like from here open. So I told her, I said, you can extend the life of your computer probably 3 times if when you carry it, you close it up and carry it. Don't carry it with it, because these are pretty sensitive. The connector between the actual base and the screen.